Here's how you can create the green screen forehead effect on TikTok in Adobe Premiere Pro. Now record your video and add it to your timeline in Adobe Premiere Pro. Make sure that you also get your picture that you want to use as well and add that to your timeline. Now click on Effect Controls and under Opacity, click on the pen tool and draw around your head. Now scroll down, click on Inverted and start adjusting the mask feather and the mask opacity and the mask expansion. Now insert your picture in the timeline of your video. Make sure that you add it on top of your video and start adjusting the position and scale of the picture. Next, click on the stopwatch icon next to mask path and start moving the mask. You're also going to want to click on the stopwatch icon next to position for the other picture and move it as well. Now enjoy the effect that you've created.